Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Sis took her braids down. Even though that video just went up, if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out in the cards. I actually wore the braids for a month. I was determined not to wear them past that because it's a lot of issues, okay? I got a lot of buildup, got a lot of matting and locking, and we got booty crack length hair goals. We don't have time for that. I do have a video on how I took my braids down. If you haven't seen that video, you can also check it out in the cards above. So I did do an overnight pre-poo. If y'all know my process, sis got a pre-poo and sis prefers the pre-poo overnight. This wash day will be dedicated to scalp health. I don't think I've ever done a video dedicated to scalp health or scalp care, so that's gonna be interesting. And I also need to do an intense protein treatment on my hair. I realized that I haven't done one in 3 months. Even though I recommend to do an intense protein every 6 to 8 weeks, especially if you have fine breakage prone hair, I wasn't taking my own advice. So I expect you to be better than me and do better than me. So today we're also going to do a protein treatment. I'll be using a lot of new products and such, but this intro has been long enough. Let's go into the wash day process. We're starting off with my pre-poo already rinsed out. Y'all have seen me rinse out my pre-poo a million times on my channel. So let's just go in with the cleansing process. I'm using a new to me cleanser. This is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub from Nature Lab Tokyo. I literally came across this on the Ulta website literally 6 to 8 months ago, so I have had it for a while. Now that my hair is nice and dirty, I've had my braids in for a month, I thought it was a perfect time to whip it out. This is actually a foaming scalp scrub. I've actually never used a scalp scrub on my hair. This is a sugar-based scalp scrub. The first ingredient is sucrose, which is sugar. And I do love the fact that it gives me a scalp scrub moment. Even though I usually advise wetting your hair down before applying a cleanser, for me this worked better on damp hair. When I applied it on soaking wet hair, the sugar melted away completely. So if you want a scrub-a-dub-dub kind of situation on your scalp, I recommend going in on damp hair. On damp hair, you're able to feel the exfoliation on your scalp. I can feel all my sins being exfoliated away, and I love that. But that's pretty much the extent of what I loved about this product. I love that in theory it is a scalp scrub, but sis, even though I try to just apply this to my scalp, and y'all know I never advise that, I always say I wash my whole head, I wasn't sure how this was gonna work, so I did try to just concentrate on my scalp, and even so, it got on my hair. And when I say my hair felt like hay, my hair felt like hay. It was giving me snap, crackle, pop. It was giving me Frito-Lay. It was giving me hay hair. And ain't nothing worse than hay hair. And I was so afraid. My hair was so stiff, y'all. Upon rinsing this out, my hair was so stiff. I know some of you like super clarifiers and you love a strip feeling, but I can't stand it. So this is unfortunately a no for me. I'm not gonna give up on scalp scrubs, but this one will never touch my hair again. Sorry, not sorry. It ain't happening. Because I focused this product on just my scalp, I knew it wasn't enough. I knew I had to go in with another shampoo, but I wanted to make sure I went in with a moisturizing, super moisturizing shampoo. And one of the most moisturizing shampoos in my stash is the Function of Beauty shampoo. I do want to give a shout out to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. I have talked about this in a previous video and you can check it out. It is the same bottle. No need for me to pretend. I have used it. I've been using it. Like I said, I was so afraid of what the other shampoo did. I didn't even section my hair. You know, usually I go in and I do my cute 4 sections. Nah, not this time. I literally slathered on the Function of Beauty shampoo like it was conditioner. First of all, it feels super duper moisturizing. It just instantly made my hair feel so better. I mean, I applied a lot, y'all. It was a pool party, wet t-shirt, foam situation. What I like about Functional Beauty is that you literally create your own formula. You go onto the website and you fill out a hair quiz. You have to select your hair type, your hair structure, and the condition of your scalp. Then you select your hair goals. You know I'm all about deep conditioning. I'm all about that booty crack length. I'm all about hydration, all about curl definition, and of course we always want to keep the frizz at bay. These are the things that are important to me, and you gotta figure out what's important to you. You can really make these products your own, and I love it. This is literally top 3, one of the most moisturizing shampoos I have ever used in my natural hair life. It's so freaking good. I wasn't planning to go in with a conditioner, but because my hair was super duper dry from that first shampoo, I needed it. I can't imagine what would have happened if I didn't pre-poo. I would probably have to big chop. I mean, I'm being dramatic, but sis, oh Lord. Ooh. I decided to go in with the Functional Beauty conditioner. This conditioner is really great. It has impeccable moisture. The slip, very much lacking. It does need a little razzle dazzle when it comes to slip, but when it comes to moisture, it gave what it was supposed to have gave, and that's all I asked for. Upon rinsing it out, my hair was big. Honestly, sponsored or not, Functional Beauty saved my hair. Functional Beauty saved this wash day because sis was struggling. Sis was really and truly struggling. Click the link in my bio to get 20% off your first set of custom shampoo and conditioner. It has been several minutes since you last saw me. I've had this t-shirt towel on maybe for like 45 minutes now, and it is time for what is yet another step, which is my protein treatment. I miss my hair. She is giving like she never left, but we're gonna go in with a protein treatment. This is a Afro-Latina owned company. This is Botanica Beauty. This is their Mender protein treatment. I was put onto this from Yall when I asked y'all about Black woman-owned brands, but then I also saw NJ Eberhardt do this. I think she was like one of the first people on YouTube to bring this to YouTube, so I didn't want to give her credit because folks don't be doing that enough. Y'all know I don't use Apogee anymore. I want to get better ingredients. I've done several videos on protein treatments on my channel. I will definitely link some down below. I'm honestly too lazy and tired to do my regular sectioning, so I'm not. Is it liquidy? Ooh. It's liquidy, but let's see how liquidy it is. Oh, it's like a serum. It's not like Apogee. You know Apogee, you can't see this too bright. Apogee will kind of run. This has more viscosity to it. It's more like a serum. So we just going to press it into the hair. Y'all know I am not light-handed. This is affordable. For 8 ounces, it was $12, I believe, and I picked it up directly from Target, but I will leave the link down below to where you can buy it. I've also seen it at Walmart as well. Ooh. Huh. I'm intrigued. I like it. I like it a lot. It actually doesn't make my hair feel hard like Apogee does. It feels kind of soft and it's smoothing. Smoothing, softening. This product does have hydrolyzed collagen in it, which is great for the hair. Apogee does have collagen as well, but they also have hydrolyzed egg protein. Y'all know I'm against using straight up eggs on the hair. Eggs cannot penetrate the hair strands. I have a whole video ranting about that, and you can check it out, but it is hydrolyzed egg protein, just like the one from Niggas Banda, which I've showed on my channel before. What I like about this is the serum texture. It's not spilling everywhere. I also like that, unlike Apogee, it is not sticky. It's not sticking to my skin. It does have a bit of a serumy texture, but nothing like the stickiness of Apogee whatsoever. So this is what the product is looking like once applied. It is giving me wash and go realness. For those of you who have ever wondered what my hair looks like in a wash and go, pretty much like this. I'm loving it so far. The instructions are kind of vague. It says keep on for 15 minutes. It doesn't say whether to use a plastic cap. It doesn't say whether to use heat. I went on the website. I ain't get no further clarity. But as for me and my house, what we about to do is put on a plastic cap and sit under my dryer situation for about, this says 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. Upon rinsing this out, it definitely gave me intense protein treatment vibes. It is an intense protein treatment. My hair definitely felt like I use a sulfate shampoo. You know you use a heavy duty protein treatment when your hair kind of feels very, what's the word, stripped, clarified. That's what this gave me. But I can say that this is an amazing product. So let's wrap up this wash day, shall we? After I rinsed out the protein treatment, I allowed my hair to dry down again for about 30 minutes, and then I went in with a deep conditioner. The deep conditioner don't matter. I have an entire video of how I deep condition my hair. You can definitely check it out in the cards. So this is my hair fresh out of the shower. I rinsed my hair, threw on my robe, and came on camera. You can see just how good my hair looks. My hair is giving. It's giving health, it's giving wealth, and I love that for me. So let's do a recap. The first product, of course, was the scalp scrub. This is a no. This is a hell no. I am giving this product away. It may be one of the worst products of 2021 just based on how it worked on my hair. You may love it, but for me and my house, no. The Functional Beauty Shampoo, always a yes, always works good on my hair, always moisturizing, will continue to keep this around. They wanted to send me another bottle and I was like, why? This one works fine. I'll keep this, and I did, so that's good. The conditioner, like I said, does have moisture, doesn't have enough slip, but if you don't necessarily need your rinse out conditioner to have slip and you just really want to impart some moisture, it works great for that. Now the last product, which is the Botanica The Mender, the intensive protein treatment. I've tried a lot of intensive protein treatments, and this is definitely a top protein treatment. I love that it's super affordable. It's only $12. I can get it at Target or Walmart on the ground. We love a good on the ground drugstore product, so love that about this. I did feel the strength in my hair. It's giving me apogee, but bearder. Better ingredients, no silicones, none of the ingredients that we don't use on our hair. So love this for me. If you try nothing else from this video, definitely pick up this product. I know a lot of y'all have wanted to see my review on it since I hauled it a few months ago, so here it is. Love this new staple. Definitely adding it to my staple list, and I will continue to use this. I did use a lot of it, but I am heavy-handed. I think I have this much left, so I'd use about a 2/3 of it, which is pretty typical. So it's no problem for me because, again, it's so damn cheap. So ain't nothing for me, y'all. This is where the money resides, okay? Well, that's it, guys. That's the end of the video, and I can't wait to show you what I have up my sleeve for my next video. So definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.